Do you know what the number one question every network marketer asks? Well, this answer probably won't surprise you. It's how do I get more leads and recruit more people into my network marketing opportunity? If that's a concern for you, I'm going to share a bit about the different platforms out there and how to use them to get leads for your network marketing business. If you find value in this video, please hit the subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner of the video so you don't miss any of my new content. Hey, my name is Jen, and I help network marketing leaders teach their teams how to build authentically and successfully online. I've been in the industry for 29 years, and I built my business the old school way. You know what I mean, creating a list of names, hosting parties, and talking to strangers. Well, it worked for me because of a lot of work and persistence. I've since learned about attraction marketing and how to become the hunted instead of the hunter. Today, I'm going to share my take on the current social media platforms for building your network marketing business. When I first started learning about attraction marketing, I was told to pick a platform, but I wanted to use every platform. I felt like a little kid having a temper tantrum. I wanted to use each platform for totally different reasons, and I wanted to build my brand everywhere. Well, after stretching myself too thin by attempting to do this, I learned a valuable lesson. Start slowly with one platform. Learn how to use it effectively and build consistency so that your audience knows what to expect from you. You can always add a platform down the road, but once you've started building on a platform, your audience starts to expect to hear from you and they want to hear value. Now, my thoughts on the different platforms. First, Facebook. It's still one of the most used social media platforms. You can do a post, stories, reels, go live, and create groups, which is one of the most valuable features. It's a great place to start, and you can easily create long or short form content. You can use video and pictures, and there's endless opportunity to be creative. Second is Instagram. The algorithm changes on this app all the time, which can be frustrating. But you can create a post, a story, a reel, or go live. But it seems like one day you know how to get the algorithm to work for you, and the next day it no longer works. But this platform attracts a younger audience than Facebook, but it doesn't work quite the same. One of the biggest benefits to Facebook over Instagram is the group feature, but there's definitely a place for Instagram in your strategy, especially if you're already on this platform and you know how to use it. Do a lot of reels there. Now, TikTok, as of the filming of this video, there's lots of questions about whether this platform will be banned or not. Until that time, though, people are having massive success, especially if they're honed in on their target market. You can create videos, stories, and go live. People are making buying decisions on this platform, so it works well for our industry and for building your email list if you use it properly. If you're comfortable making a video and talking into a camera, you can have a lot of fun on TikTok. And I would also encourage you to explore your creativity on this platform. You can find trending content and figure out how to adapt it to your niche or your target market. Lots and lots of opportunity here to attract highly qualified prospects if your content speaks directly to your target market. Fourth is LinkedIn, and this is a business platform that is extremely valuable and not used by a lot of network marketers. Develop a professional image and post professional content to have success. I would recommend leveraging this platform, especially if you've used it in the past for work. I find that because it's a business platform, people are more comfortable talking about opportunities, work, and money. Marketing the opportunity works best here, but just be careful how you do it. If you treat your business like a business, then you'll stand out on LinkedIn. Now, YouTube, it's one of my favorite platforms out there. Why? Well, your content is evergreen. And what does this mean? Well, it sticks around and is searchable at all times. On all other platforms, your content falls down your feed as soon as you continue to post new content. And stories only last for 24 hours. But on YouTube, the second largest search engine, only behind Google, your content can be found years and years later. Plus, YouTube Shorts are getting a lot of traction these days. I hope this brief discussion of the social media platforms helps you decide which one is best for you. They can all increase the number of leads you get for your network marketing business as long as you speak to your ideal prospect through your content. Offer solutions to their problems and you'll hit a home run. Just remember, pick a platform, learn it well, and consistently post. Once you feel comfortable and have a system in place for posting, then branch out to the next platform. If you've made it to the end of this video and you found value in it, please hit the subscribe button so that you're the first to know when I post new content. And make today outstanding.